So yung mga katip agrabyo na may tuturuan tayong bata na 5 years old, babae. So, ito. Okay. Okay. Jab. Jab. Hook. Oh, galing. Upper. Hook. Sweep. Oh, right ha. Right. Then hook. And hook. And sweep. And ooh! Wow! Galing yan. Bibigyan natin ng star yan. Kasi yes! Ang galing. Okay, again. Naku, may ka-sparring na si Boss Topinito. Tatakbo si Boss Topinito, sigurado. Jab. Jab. Hook. Upper. Hook. Sweep. Right. Upper. Hook. Hook. Sweep. Wow! Wow! Galing yan. So, ulit. Upper.
Combination
Hook. Sweep. Oh, galing. Okay, again. Hook. Sweep. Hook. And up. And sweep. Inap. Yay! Ang galing talaga niya. Yay! Sa pen card, no? No? Wow, happy. Happy. Wow. Yes! Nice. Okay, again. Last. Okay. Okay, jab. Jab. Sweep. Hook. Woo! Straight hook set. Straight. Hook. Sweep. Wow! Ilag. Yes. Ilag. Woo! Galing. Okay, upper. Hook. Sweep. Woo! Again. Jab. Jab. Sweep. And then hook. Upper. Hook. Woo! Sweep. Upper. Yung kanan. Right. Upper. The right. Yay! Oh, ilalim. Ooh! Galing natin! So, okay, we need the rest. Okay? Okay. So, yun muna mga katip agrabyo. Kasama yung mga magulang nito. Dito lang din sa kapitbahay lang din natin to sa loob ng subdivision. So, parang banding ng pamilya nila. Every Martes, nandito sila si Jim para mag-inside kasama yung tatlong babies nila, silang magkasama. So, yun. Boom.